Kookaburra. Kookaburras are large, terrestrial kingfishers native to Australia and New Guinea. They are known for their distinctive, raucous laughter-like call, which can be heard in the early morning and at dusk. The laughing kookaburra is the most well-known species and is often associated with the sound of the Australian bush. Kookaburras primarily feed on insects, small mammals, and reptiles. They have a strong, pointed beak that they use to catch and kill prey. Kookaburras are known for their territorial behavior and may defend their territory aggressively. These birds are monogamous and mate for life, often forming small family groups. They are also known for their cooperative hunting, with family members helping each other capture prey. Kookaburras have a lifespan of up to 20 years in the wild. They are excellent flyers and are known for their aerial displays. In Aboriginal mythology, the kookaburra is considered a significant bird with a role in creation stories. Kookaburras are commonly found in woodlands and open forests. They are easily recognizable with their large heads and short tails. Conservation efforts are in place to protect kookaburra populations and their habitats. The laughing kookaburra is often depicted in Australian culture and is a symbol of the country.